Ina ug atong i-surprise si Ma'am Anali sa iyang sa ilang third anniversary guys.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment, I found the one, and my life had found its missing piece. So as long as I live, I love you, will have and hold you. You look so beautiful in white, and from now to my very last breath, this day I'll cherish. You look so beautiful in white tonight. What we have is timeless, my love is endless, and with this ring I say to the world, you're my every reason, you're all that I believe in. With all my heart I mean every word. So as long as I live, I love you.
Thank you sa love nimo og sa care. Hope nga makaya nato tanan og ni lang ko always na nag-support nimo. Sorry pod usahay pasaway pod nimo. Thank you uli. God bless. Once again, happy third anniversary natong duha. I love you, May. Message ma'am sa gahatag ma'am.
Pwede tilira.
Isa gamay ra kaayo para po malipay siya.
Thank you, Taba. Pasensya po sa hindi magkasinamat. Thank you. Wala ko na-expect, ani. Thank you, thank you.
Sige, thank you ma'am. Happy anniversary niyong duha.
Video mo din eh.
Natag surprise ni Ma'am Annalie Ogop na ganahan siya surprise sa iyang DF nga gikan sa Maynila guys. So, hope sir, malipay ra po ka sa among mga gamay nga gibuhat para sa inyong relasyon. Thank you sir and ma'am.